Ever feel like your wallet is an episode of Lost? Receipts multiplying faster than rabbits, expense reports buried deeper than yesterday's takeout? You're not alone. Especially for small businesses and startups, managing finances can be a tangled mess. That's where financial management software comes in. But with so many options, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Two big names you'll likely encounter are Expensify and QuickBooks. So, are they the same? The answer, like most things in life, is a resounding it depends. Let's break down the differences between Expensify and QuickBooks to help you pick the champion for your financial battlefield. Round 1, Focus expense management versus full-fledged accounting. Expensify throws its hat squarely in the expense management ring. Think of it as the ultimate expense report warrior. It excels at streamlining the process from receipt capture, say goodbye to crumpled paper mountains, to automatic expense categorization and report generation. QuickBooks, on the other hand, is a full-fledged accounting suite. It's like your knight in shining armor, ready to tackle all aspects of your financial kingdom: bookkeeping, invoicing, bill payments, you name it. While expense management is a part of the package, it's just one piece of the pie. Round 2, Features streamlined versus comprehensive. Expensify keeps things user-friendly. Their mobile app is a superstar, allowing you to snap a picture of a receipt and have the software automatically extract key information. Adding expenses, categorizing them, and submitting reports becomes a breeze. QuickBooks offers a wider range of accounting features, but that can come at the cost of a steeper learning curve. It's powerful, but requires a bit more investment in terms of setup and understanding. Round 3, Pricing's tailored solutions versus scalable packages. Expensify offers various subscription plans, catering to different team sizes and needs. This makes it a good option for startups and smaller businesses with straightforward expense management requirements. QuickBooks comes in tiered packages, with pricing increasing as features and functionality expand. It can be a good fit for businesses that need a comprehensive accounting solution and plan to scale their operations. The final bell, choosing your champion. So, which one wins? It depends on your priorities. 4. Streamlined expense management. Expensify is your champion. Simple and user-friendly interface, Expensify takes the crown. Smaller businesses and startups, Expensify might be the more cost-effective option. 4. Comprehensive accounting solutions, QuickBooks is your knight. Businesses with complex financial needs, QuickBooks offers the broader feature set. Businesses planning for growth, QuickBooks can scale with your needs. Remember, integration is an option. If you love Expensify's expense management but crave the power of QuickBooks, both platforms offer integrations that allow data to flow seamlessly between them. Ultimately, the best way to choose is to take advantage of free trials offered by both Expensify and QuickBooks. See which one fits your workflow and financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.